Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off Bluetooth in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for our Bluetooth? The easiest way to turn it off is to swipe from the top, and here we have our Bluetooth icon. When we tap it off, our Bluetooth will be turned off as well. Of course, we still keep our paired devices, so if we turn it back again, it will be, as you can see, automatically connected, and we can add more if we want to. But if we don't have this shortcut at the top, we can go to our settings, then connections, and here we can have our Bluetooth functions as well. The same menu, just in our big settings menu. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.